1.4 Graphing Calculators in Computers. In this section, we assume that you have access to a graphing calculator or a computer with graphing software, which we can use Desmos. Now, we will see that the use of such a device enables us to graph more complicated functions and to solve more complex problems than would otherwise be possible. We also point out some of the pitfalls that can occur with these machines. Now, graphing calculators and computers can give very accurate graphs of functions. We will see in Chapter 4 that only through the use of calculus can we be sure that we have uncovered all the interesting aspects of a graph. A graphing calculator or computer displays a rectangular portion of the graph of a function in a display window or viewing screen, which we refer to as a viewing rectangle. The default screen often gives an incomplete or misleading picture, so it is important to choose the viewing rectangle with care. So if we choose the x values to range from a minimum value of x min equal to a to a maximum value of x max equal to b, and the y values to range from y min equals c to a maximum of y max equal to d, then the visible portion of the graph lies in the following rectangle. So we have a to b times c to d, which is equal to all the ordered pairs x, y, such that x is in between a and b, and y is in between c and d. And now we can see this in this figure. Now we refer to this rectangle as bracket a comma b by bracket c comma d bracket viewing rectangle. The machine draws the graph of a function f much as you would. It plots points of the form x of f of x for a certain number of equally spaced values of x between a and b. If an x value is not in a domain of f, or if the function f of x lies outside the viewing rectangle, it moves on to the next x value. So the machine connects each point to the preceding plotted point to form a representation of the graph of f. So here x is equal to a, x is equal to b, and then y is equal to c and y is equal to d. So here is your minimum, here's your maximum for your y values, here's your minimum for your x, and here's your maximum for your x.